Well, I have discussed about complex number, complex number with roots and cube roots of unity, and cube roots of unity is the discuss of this intermediate level. It's also totally important, I think that. So let 1 cube root equal to x, that implies x cube equal to 1, that implies x cube minus 1 cube equal 0, that implies x minus 1 x square plus 2x plus x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. So that is x minus 1 equals 0 and x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. So x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 plus root over minus 1 whole square, 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. It's a minus 1 root over 1 minus 4 divide 2. That's a 1 plus minus root over minus 3 divided by 2. Minus 1 plus minus I root 3 divided by 2. So minus half into minus 1 plus I root 3 and minus and half into minus 1 minus I root 3. Okay, it's which is the this is the first rule and this is the second rule and the third rule. This units of cube roots. Units of cube roots. It's a unit of cube roots. Well, actually, properties of cube roots of unity. Now, discuss the properties. Properties of cube roots of unity. Properties means properties of cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity, that means 1 and half into minus 1 minus I root 3 and half into minus 1 plus I root 3 is the two roots are conjugate, but one is separate and one is real numbers and these roots are conjugate. These roots are conjugate. These roots are conjugate. Is the real numbers and but two roots are conjugate. Oh, okay. I think that you have to clear this plus or minus. The complex roots are automatically complex roots is square of other roots. You have to clear omega is half into minus 1 minus I root 3 and omega square equal to half into minus 1 plus I root 3. Is a proof that means how to develop in this and that rules. Well, actually omega equal to half into minus 1 minus I root 3 is omega square equal to 1 by 4 into minus 1 minus I root 3 the whole square. 1 by 4 into a square minus plus 2 2ab plus plus I root 3 the whole square. It's same as minus 4. Minus 4 not eto means same as talk about with other roots. So then 1 by 4 1 plus 2I root 3 plus I square into 3. Then 1 by 4 into 4 plus 2I root 3 2I root 3. So then sorry 1 plus 2I root 3 minus 3 is that's equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is minus 2 plus 2I root 3 is a 1 by 4 into 2 into minus 1 plus I root 3. So then minus half into minus 1 plus I root 3 is the other roots. Omega is the roots and omega square is the other roots. Omega is this root and omega square is the opposite roots. So then omega into omega square equal to omega is this roots and omega square is this opposite roots. This opposite roots is omega is this root and omega square is the opposite roots. Opposite means a plus ib is the roots of x and opposite roots of x minus ib is the opposite roots means x square. Is the so easiest I think that it's mainly deeply minded and mindedly thought it. This in your above the roots. Omega cube equal to 1. Well, omega and omega square equal to half into minus 1 plus I root 3 and half into minus 1 minus I root 3 equal to 1 by 4 into minus 1 plus I root 3 into minus 1 minus I root 3. Right? 1 by 4 into minus 1 whole square plus minus I root 3 whole square is 1 by 4 into 1 minus I square 3 equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1 plus 3 equal 1 by 4 into 4 equal to 1. That means omega cube equal to 1. That means since this 1 and half into minus 1 plus I root 3 and half into minus 1 minus I root 3 minus this the omega and this the omega square. This is the omega and this is the omega square. It's also right you are and you have to clear omega cube is equal to 1. It is the roots. It is the roots of 1 omega and omega square. It is the roots of omega square with cube roots. Well, it's totally easiest method with HSC level of omega and omega square and 1. Omega cube means 1. Omega cube means 1. Now omega square omega cube equal to now if you thinking about omega and omega square, omega omega and omega square is the mainly cube roots of one unity. তার অর্থ omega cube equal to 1. Omega cube equal to 1. Then omega square equal to 1 by omega. Since 1 plus omega square equal to 0. अच्छा 1 plus x square plus x equal 0. This is the quadratic equation. Is the roots omega. Is the roots of omega. So discuss with the equation of omega. So discuss with the equation of second degree and roots is omega. So 1 plus omega square equal to 1. Automatically right you are because omega and omega square plus 1 equal to 0. This is omega and omega square 1 plus omega square plus omega square plus omega 4 equal 0, same as. So then omega 4 equal to omega cube into omega equal to omega. The omega 4 equal to omega cube into omega square equal to omega, right? So then omega, it means omega 4, omega square is right, is the easiest. So firstly thinking about these rules, omega plus omega square, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square equal to 0 and omega cube equal to 1. These the main things and main rules with omega. Well, it's totally easiest, I think that. Mainly cube root of 1 equal to x is clear. 1 and half into minus 1 plus I root 3 and half into minus 1 minus I root 3. It's so easiest method and it is clear thinking about this process. Well, actually you have to thinking in properties of cube roots of unity and complex number and cube roots of unity. Discuss with the all of thinkings about the process. দেখা যায় সুন্দর দেখা যায় না। আচ্ছা, well, apply of mathematics in apply of mathematics with exercise 2. Exercise 2 is important math. So minus i minus I, right? Okay, so let minus I cube root equal to x. That implies minus I equal to x cube. Minus I equal to x cube. So that implies x cube plus I equal 0. Right? You are. Of course, x cube minus I square into I equal to 0. That's the same. X cube minus I cube equal to 0. That is x cube x minus I into x square plus ix plus I square equal to 0. Right? That is x minus I into x square minus I plus ix minus 1 equal to 0. It's the easiest method, I think that. well, actually that is x minus I equal 0 and x square plus ix minus 1 equal to 0. Well, it's easy. So x equal to I is the one roots and x square plus ix minus 1 equal 0. That implies x equal minus I plus minus root over I square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. So then minus I plus minus root over minus 1 plus 4 divided by 2. Then minus I plus minus root over 3 divided by 2. Then half into minus I plus minus root over 3. Well, actually it's total, it's alada separate plus I root 3 and half into I into minus I minus root 3. It's the second rule and third rule. So the first rule and second rule and third rule. First roots and second roots and third roots. This is the mole of or root over cube root of minus I. Cube root of I minus I is the solve it. Solve it, this is the first roots and second roots and third roots. It's the solution of cube root of minus 1. Well, it's I and half into minus I plus root 3 and half into minus I root 3. Well, it's the result. Well, thank you. 1 minute is there?
3 minutes, sir.
Right, sir. Well, you have to clear in this method, and you have to clear, and you and your friends and all friends and all of friend circle will share and subscribe me and totally watch these videos and totally watch these rules and methods and totally watch in this format part to part and part by part. Then obviously you have to clear and you have to think and thought of this process. It's the main, and you have to practice and deeply practice in this process. Then obviously examining are in front of exam. Then obviously right now in this exam. Well, thanks a lot. Thanks you.